I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a 2010 Seat Leon. Basically flip the key out, just press that button, and then using your thumb just press forward. You should be able to do it with your thumb. If not, just get something to lever it, but only lever it like so. Don't be pressing, don't be forcing a screwdriver in, because you'll end up putting it through your hand. Or perhaps just like so, tuck it under the little plastic and lever up and then off. You see there, it's a 2032 CR 2032 with the battery facing towards you. Just, there's a little place there to put something, and as you can see, I bet I could never do that again. Anyway, so there you go. The 2032, the plus side's facing towards you. That's it. You tuck it into those contacts there to press it so that it will actually go in and hold, and then just clip that back on, clip it in, and that's how you do that.